Hey guys, welcome to Concept of Science. In this video, we will learn what determines the sex of a human baby. If you have gone through my earlier video, you would have understood the term that is called chromosome. There are 46 chromosomes present in human being. 23 come from mother and 23 come from father. And you must be knowing that each cell of a human being consists of 46 chromosomes. Okay, so the ovaries present in the mother, they divide the cell in such a manner that the egg has 23 chromosomes, which is sent to the child. And then here in the testis, the male reproductive organ divides the cell in such a manner that they have 23 chromosomes. When 23 chromosome from male meets 23 chromosome from female, they produce a normal offspring of 46 chromosome, and that's how the number of chromosomes is maintained. Let us learn what determines the sex of the baby. Here we can see that the sex chromosome of man has X and Y chromosome. The sex chromosome of woman has X and X chromosome. They have a pair of sex chromosomes. So now let us understand the technicalities of how the sex of a baby is determined. These are the chromosomes of father. These are the chromosomes of mother. There will be two types of sperm produced in the case of male. This is female, X and Y. Here there will be one type of chromosome produced, that will be of X. One type of cell which will be having the chromosome X. If the sperm cell carrying the X chromosome meets the egg carrying the X chromosome of the female, then the offspring will have XX chromosome combination, and hence offspring will be female. But if the sperm carrying the Y chromosome of the male meets with the X chromosome of the female, then there will be X and Y combination. So let us go through again. Man has X and Y chromosome sex chromosomes. Woman has X and X sex chromosomes. In the sperm, these are divided. There are some sperms having X chromosome, there are some sperms having Y chromosome. In the female, as there is only XX chromosome present, there will be one type of egg produced that will be carrying the X chromosome. When the X chromosome sperm meets the X chromosome egg, it produces a female child, and when a Y chromosome sperm meets the X chromosome of the egg, it produces a male child. There are various type of organisms in the world, and they have their own mechanism of sex determination. But in human being, this is the simple method that we follow. There are very complex methods in other organisms. I'll be covering other relative organisms which are mentioned in the 10th or 9th class books, so that if you get a question from that, you will be able to answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.